Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P065A indicates that the ACG, or Alternator Control Generator, is experiencing a no-charging malfunction. This means that the alternator is not generating sufficient voltage to keep the battery charged, which can lead to various electrical issues within the vehicle. The alternator is a crucial component located near the front of the engine, connected by a drive belt. Its primary role is to convert mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy to power the vehicle's electrical systems and recharge the battery. If the alternator fails, or if there is a problem with the drive belt, the car can suffer from low voltage conditions, affecting overall performance. It is essential to address this code promptly to avoid battery drain and potential starting issues in the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. The DTC P065A indicates an ACG no-charging malfunction, meaning the alternator is not performing its role efficiently. The ACG, or Alternator Control Generator, provides the necessary electrical energy to power the car's systems and recharge the battery. When the ACG fails, it cannot maintain or generate adequate voltage levels, which can lead to battery discharge and electrical failures. In Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021, the alternator is typically located near the front of the engine, connected through a drive belt. This belt ensures that the alternator spins correctly, converting mechanical energy into electrical power. If this diagnostic trouble code is triggered, identifying the root cause promptly is essential to restore proper charging functionality. Several factors can contribute to the DTC P065A being triggered. One primary cause may be a faulty alternator that simply fails to generate adequate electrical output. Alternatively, issues with the drive belt can also lead to this malfunction. If the drive belt is damaged, worn, or misaligned, it won't turn the alternator correctly. Furthermore, electrical connection failures, such as corroded terminals or broken wiring to the alternator, can prevent it from functioning efficiently. It's crucial to consider these possibilities when diagnosing the issue, as they can all impact the vehicle's electrical system. By exploring these causes systematically, technicians can effectively pinpoint fault areas for repair. The symptoms resulting from DTC P065A can indicate broader problems within the vehicle. A common symptom is the illumination of the battery warning light on the dashboard. This light serves as an early warning that the vehicle's alternator is not charging the battery, potentially leading to a dead battery situation. Drivers may also experience various electrical system malfunctions, such as dimming headlights or non-functional power accessories. Additionally, if the battery is not charging, starting the vehicle may become increasingly difficult, leading to no-start conditions. Recognizing these symptoms is essential, as they can help link the driver's experience directly to the P065A code. Promptly addressing these issues can help prevent further complications. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P065A, it begins by turning the vehicle to the on mode. This ensures that all electrical systems are powered for diagnosis without starting the engine. Next, the technician must clear the diagnostic trouble codes, DTC, using the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System tool. This action resets any existing codes, allowing for a fresh start in diagnostics. Following the code clearance, the engine should be started and allowed to idle for a minute, giving the system time to stabilize. After idling, the technician should check for any new pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS tool, as this will inform whether the initial issue still exists and needs further investigation. The second troubleshooting step involves checking for any pending or confirmed DTCs, again, using the HDS tool. This step is crucial to confirm whether P065A is still indicated. If the DTC is present, it indicates that the failure is consistently replicating, allowing the technician to move on to the next diagnostic steps. Conversely, if the DTC is not present, it may suggest an intermittent issue. Intermittent failures can often be challenging to diagnose since the vehicle's systems might appear normal at times. If this scenario occurs, it's advised to check the alternator and the drive belt components, as these may have inconsistencies that require examination under specific conditions to reproduce the failure accurately. In the third troubleshooting step, the technician must carefully inspect the drive belt. This belt is integral to the operation of the alternator, as it connects the engine's crankshaft to the alternator, transferring mechanical energy necessary for the alternator to function. If the drive belt is found to be okay, the next course of action is to repair or replace the alternator. A faulty alternator can fail to produce the required voltage for the vehicle's electrical systems. If issues are detected with the drive belt, it should be replaced to restore proper function. Each component plays a vital role in the charging system, and thorough inspection ensures reliability. Finally, after performing necessary repairs, it's essential to conduct a final verification using the HDS tool. This step ensures that no further diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, are present after the repairs have been made. Confirming that P065A is cleared and not reappearing indicates that the repairs addressed the initial issue. Additionally, testing the vehicle to ensure that it is charging properly is crucial. Measurements should be taken to verify that the alternator produces adequate voltage levels while the engine is running. By concluding this process thoroughly, technicians assure vehicle reliability and avoid future malfunctions. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P065A, regular maintenance practices are crucial. One significant preventive measure is conducting routine inspections of the drive belt. Checking the drive belt for wear, cracks, or misalignment can help catch potential issues before they lead to significant failures. Additionally, it's important to monitor the vehicle's electrical system performance, including voltage readings from the alternator and battery. Ensuring that all electrical connectors are clean and corrosion-free prevents possible interruptions in power delivery. By adhering to these maintenance practices, vehicle owners can reduce the likelihood of encountering charging system malfunctions. In conclusion, understanding DTC P065A and its implications for the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021 is fundamental for maintaining vehicle performance. The alternator and its associated drive belt are key components ensuring that the vehicle's electrical needs are met. Quick and thorough diagnosis of this DTC can prevent further issues, such as battery failure or electrical system malfunctions. By following the structured troubleshooting process, technicians can pinpoint the source of the issue efficiently. Finally, regular preventive maintenance will provide further assurance of consistent vehicle operation and reduce the risk of unexpected problems arising in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.